Introducing solar energy sound barriers, designed for the future of transportation. Co-Solar, a U.S. leader in transportation-based solar energy infrastructure, and Kohlhauer, Germany's pioneer company in environmental noise protection, are joining forces. Together, we are transforming transportation corridors into clean energy powerhouses, blending technology, sustainability, and smart design. This is the future of solar energy. This is an innovation on the move. Built on ingenuity, powered by innovation.
Co-Solar, transportation-based solar energy company.